Viewer discretion advised. This video may contain strong language or distressing content. This upload is intended for educational and documentary purposes under applicable public records law and fair use guidelines.
Hey, hon, can you come here for a second? There may be some confusion on some issues inside.
What happened?
Do you have anything in your bag you should not have?
No. I just returned some stuff.
Okay, can you step over here with us?
Why?
Here,
let me go over here. Because I'm finna let you see.
Well, we're not going to get in the car.
I'm not getting in the car. I'm gonna let you see that there's nothing in there.
In your bag?
Yeah.
Okay. You're not getting in the car.
I'm not getting in.
You're not getting in the car.
I'm not. Quit fighting me. Let me show you.
I'm not fighting you.
Okay, I'm finna show you. I'm finna show you what's in my bag.
For right now.
Okay, can I show you? Yes or no? Okay, Skaggs. Let me show you. I'm finna sit the bag down and show you. Yeah.
We're not doing that.
Okay, I'm not going in there.
Stop.
Why are you trying to detain me?
Just
and I'm not. There's nothing in my bag.
Stop. Hands behind your back.
Oh my God.
Put your hands behind your back. We're trying to do it civil, and you're not.
Y'all can't get there anything in my bag. I'm
Stop.
not doing nothing. I'm not
going to continue.
Yes, no, I'm going to cooperate. Can I please turn around?
No.
Oh my God.
You're going to be put in handcuffs. No.
I'm black. Yes, it is.
No, it isn't.
Man,
What's black got anything to do with it?
Will you let me talk like y'all do anybody else? Why are you resisting? You're trying to lie.
You are.
No, I'm not.
This is resisting.
Skaggs, no, I'm not.
This is resisting,
No,
ma'am.
I'm not.
Ma'am, this is
Skaggs,
resisting.
no, I'm not. Look how you pulling my wrist.
I'm trying to get you
No,
control.
you're not.
I'm trying to get you control,
No, you're
hon.
not.
Yes.
Shit in my bag. Nothing. That belongs to your store. You said, is there anything in your bag? Everything I have, I came in with.
Jeez, you made that harder than it
There,
needed to be.
no, I don't.
Yes, you do.
Because y'all wouldn't have did this if I was white. What are you talking about?
It has nothing to do with
come on.
color.
Well, come show me. Let me go.
You have a receipt for the stuff?
No,
in your bag?
I came in to do my return. The black girl at the thing. Can y'all go in there?
We will.
No, let's go.
We're trying to figure this out, and you're fighting us.
No, you're not.
That's what we do. That's our protocol.
No, you're not.
That's our protocol.
No, it's not. They called y'all here because I was black.
No, it has nothing.
Y'all did, so why are you taking my bag?
You are now under arrest.
You got under arrest when you started resisting.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you are.
That's against the law.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. Y'all didn't even Mirandarize me.
We don't have to. We didn't
Yes,
question
you
you
do.
yet. We haven't
Right, so
questioned
you need to. You're putting me in
No,
back
we
of the car.
questioned
No, take me in the store then.
No.
So I can go face to face with whatever the fuck they called you for.
Well, man,
Have a
that's not
seat.
the way it
No,
works.
yes it do.
Have a seat.
They saying that I put shit in my bag. That's what you said, right? This is on camera.
Yeah,
Then you said it.
Have a seat.
And I told you I came in
Have
here
a
with
seat.
it, right?
Ma'am, we haven't even
On
talked to
camera.
anybody inside yet. All
Right,
we
so
know
what
is
are you talking about to them?
just cooperate.
No, I am.
Have a
Take me
seat.
back
You
in the
are
store.
not. No, you're not.
Skaggs, yes I am.
Ma'am, you know my name, but I don't even know your
Yes,
name.
my name is Wilson. That's my last name.
Okay, I don't know you, ma'am.
Can you take me back in there?
Once we get done with everything,
Okay,
let's take you
then.
back
What are
in
you
there.
gonna take me back in there for?
Give us a few minutes.
Have
Have
a
a seat.
Right,
Let's
can
find
you
out.
take me back?
Have a seat.
You keep saying Skaggs.
listen,
No,
listen.
I'm not listening. Because he sat here and
Once you have
slammed
a
me.
seat,
I did not
And
say
then I'm
that.
telling him I'm pregnant. Look how you doing me.
What, arresting you?
No, and I'm pregnant.
Okay, you're the one that was resisting, not us.
When?
You weren't cooperating
Oh
with
my
us.
gosh.
When did I
At no
resist?
point were
Ma'am,
you
I don't
Skaggs,
cooperating.
no, I didn't. You came along. I said I'll cooperate with
No,
you.
you didn't.
Yes, I
When I said put
did.
your
Y'all
hands
two
behind your
against
back.
one. Come on, the police do this shit
No,
all the
we're-
time.
no.
And I said, what's the problem? And I said, yeah, I'll show you. I'll come right to my car. He said, you're not getting in the car.
You're not getting
I'm
in
not
the car.
trying to.
You absolutely
No,
did.
I did not.
You absolutely
Are
did.
you kidding me? We're in
Sit.
the back seat.
Have a seat.
In the back seat.
Have a
From the
seat.
back seat.
Have a seat.
And they recording it right now. I hope it is recording.
It's all recorded.
Right, so give me a sergeant out here.
We will.
Now,
Absolutely.
like now.
We
Have a
have to have a
seat.
seat
No, I
first.
don't,
Have a
because
seat.
that's my bag. And you saying, let me search your bag. I came in with that bag. I went to the damn customer service desk, right? And then I asked the girl in fucking Sephora, so what the fuck belongs to them in that bag?
If this was not that big of a deal, why are you putting up such a fight?
Because I'm trying to figure out why did they
Why are
even
you
call
putting up
you?
such a fight?
Because I have my rights too.
You're right. And
What's
you,
my right?
You lost your right when you started
No, I
resisting.
didn't. I didn't.
You lost your right
no,
when
I
you tried
did
getting in the car.
I did not
You lost
resist.
that right.
I
Now
did
have
not
a
get
seat.
in the car. You let me walk to my car. I said, I'll show you. You said, okay. That's what you said on camera. Why you got your jacket covering it up?
It's not covered up.
Okay.
Mine's not
I
covered
tell you what, where you're
Can I
gonna...
get a sergeant?
Yeah, they're coming. They're coming.
No, they're right there.
No, that's not the sergeant.
No, who is it then?
This other
Can
officer.
y'all please take over? I know y'all all work together, but my rights have been violated.
Okay.
I came in with that bag, and he gonna tell me that they called you.
Ma'am, have a seat.
Yes, please, Smith. I want to talk to you. Please, can you? I am. Can you tell him to let me go? You should have seen how he did me, and I'm pregnant. Look at him grabbing me. Get off of me.
He's going to take you and we're going to put you out.
Man,
You got it on a car, huh?
yes, he's crazy.
I'm
Smith,
going to
look.
find every charge.
He got my stuff. No, Smith, what is the procedure?
You have to, you're going to get out of the car.
Okay.
Hello. Is Jessica back there? I got it on camera too.
What's going on?
I have your stuff, and then I have the rest of the stuff that belongs to the store that was
That
in the
does
back.
not belong to the store. Want me to prove it?
It's on video.
No, it's not.
Just watched it.
Are you kidding me right now? Because
Why would I lie to you? Why would I lie to you?
If you give me a point
Why
to
would I
prove
lie
to
to you?
you, then I'm not lying.
Have a seat.
No, can you give me a
Have a
proof?
seat. Would you like for me to put this in your car?
No, can you give me a point
Would you
to
like
prove
for
to
me-
you? Yes or no?
It's
Just
on
yes
camera.
or no. It's
on
not. What's on camera?
all of it.
Me putting
see.
stuff in my bag?
And you walked out the store without paying for
No,
it.
I didn't. Oh my God.
We're done.
Are you kidding me? I'm not bullshitting right now.
Jump in the car and run my ass over. That's what would have happened. I was trying to be nice, trying to like,
Yeah, I get
maybe there's some confusion, and it was turned into it's because I'm black, and you're twisting my arm, you're doing this, you're doing that.
She said she's pregnant.
I'm pregnant.
I
I'm
said,
this.
if you're pregnant, then you're not doing your baby any justice by standing out here in the cold screaming and get in the car. Nah, she don't want to hear that.
No.
Now, if you want an ambulance, an ambulance shows up, they're like, why are we here? Because my arm got twisted. You need us? No. Okay. I don't know what you want me to tell you.
Yeah.
They weren't mad. I said, she asked for it. We're
Right. No. Yeah.
We're not going to play that game.
What began as a suspected shoplifting call inside the Sephora at Kohl's quickly escalated into a physical struggle with police. According to investigators, Destoni Wilson was accused of attempting to leave the store with $2,748.90 worth of Sephora cosmetics, concealed in a Kohl's shopping bag. Police say she repeatedly ignored officers' commands, attempted to get back into her vehicle, pulled away from officers, and resisted efforts to place her in handcuffs before she was ultimately taken into custody. According to the police report, Wilson was arrested and charged with retail theft over $300, a felony under Illinois law, along with resisting or obstructing a peace officer. The recovered merchandise was returned to the store, and she was transported to the Peoria County Jail for processing. Every body cam tells the story, but everyone notices something different. After watching the complete footage, what stood out to you the most? Join the conversation in the comments below. As always, everyone featured on this channel is presumed innocent unless and until proven guilty in a court of law. And finally, a sincere thank you to the Peoria Police Department for their transparency in fulfilling our public records request and making this footage available to the public. If you like this video, support the channel by hitting like, tapping, subscribe, and sharing this video. Real incidents, real officers, real patrol footage.